Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Walshy carrying the torch for young talent. Jamaican-American DJ, MC and record producer Walshy is passionate about giving young artists a musical platform to showcase their talents. A member of the dancehall reggae-influenced group Major Lazer, alongside fellow DJs Jillionaire and Diplo, Walshy is the producer of chart-topping hits like Light It Up, Watch Out for This, and Run Up.
It's a very passionate love that I have to keep producing young artists and getting the best out of the mountain of artists now. You know, I really like to dig, because I used to play records, I used to play vinyl, and I used to love to dig. I used to love to dig for that rare gem, and so I feel like that's kind of what I'm doing with artists right now. You know, is searching for the gems, you know, and see if I can help bring them forward.
Walshy is also the producer behind Coffee's monster hit Toast. He's pleased with the success of the song.
Yeah, man, it's exciting, man, and I'm very happy with the success and very excited to see what she does with her career. I think that the sky's the limit, and the response all over the world has been amazing, and I'm so glad to have been a part of that project, you know. Same thing with Chronix. When I did his first project, I was just so happy to be a part of it. And now I see where he's at, and I'm so happy, you know. So it's a blessing, and I just give thanks.
Toast is one of the 5 tracks on Coffee's acclaimed EP Rapture, which debuted at #1 on Billboard's Reggae Albums chart. The producer, who is also responsible for the reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid's mixtape Accurate, now has his sights set on producing only albums.
The mixtape takes a lot of work. It's very draining. And at this point in my life, I think that I'm not doing let me not say disservice, but an album is just much more profound. You know, a mixtape is cool, but an album is like, whoa. And so I really want to make these big statements that, as we said inside, have potentials to be Grammy winning, you know, and have potentials to climb the charts. A mixtape doesn't have that potential.
Walshy is one of the co-producers of Nomad's upcoming project, Heaven on Earth. Now to news overseas, where the newest addition to the royal family has been revealed. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex today introduced the newest addition to their royal family, their newborn son, Archie Harrison Mountbatten Windsor. The announcement came after the Queen and Duke of Edinburgh met their 8th and newest great-grandchild for the first time at Windsor Castle. As the firstborn son of a Duke, Archie could have become Earl of Dumbarton, one of Harry's subsidiary titles, or he could have been Lord Archie Mountbatten Windsor, but instead, he'll simply be Master Archie Mountbatten Windsor. The newborn, who is 7th in line to the throne, was delivered on Monday.
It's magic. It's pretty amazing, and I mean, I have the 2 best guys in the world, so I'm really happy. He has the sweetest temperament. He's really calm and
he gets that one.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.